So tell us what the hell happened to the truck, dude.
I want to lead with this, though.
Okay, tell me.
James is a lot like my 3-year-old daughter. He loves my misfortunes.
Damn it. I think the people want to know the
No, they do.
The cheese man.
Bad stuff with the motor, and we didn't have time to rebuild it for the next event, so we threw it back in. We'll see.
Right.
Well, it lasted exactly 1.5 laps yesterday.
Got it.
And it shot the crank out the bottom of the block, and it also broke the transmission bell housing because the crank's tied to the converter, which is tied to the trans. It just rapid disassembly, the whole freaking thing.
Damn.
Yeah.
Hey guys, today is a special day, special episode. It is the return of the Beehive 1450 racing. It's been down for 8 years?
5, 8 years. I haven't been keeping track.
5 to 8 years. It's a long
Yeah.
time. Michael Cox here. That's the first time I've ever seen you like drive.
Oh, really?
We're at those races.
At an old Beehive race. Yeah, we used to come out here. We used to come to Lake Elsinore. We used to race these. I used to drive my Ford Bronco, and it was a lot of fun. That's how I got my feet wet and racing myself instead of just working on other people's cars.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a lot of fun, and now we get to do it again.
I remember Sandsport Super Show. And that was like the Robbie Gordon short course stuff.
Yeah.
And that was like so gnarly. It looked like a Hot Wheels tractor.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Mike had this freaking gnarly Bronco and would just rip that thing, and it was a unit. It was wide. It was a truck, you know. And he just maneuvered it so well. And then now seeing Mike drive the Bronco too, it's just like a little 2-stroke dirt bike. You put the car where like you make it do whatever your freaking imagination can do. I swear.
Something like that.
Like, I feel like it's like RC car style, dude. Like, it's like, oh, I'm just gonna go jump this and land here, and then just do it.
Yeah, it's fun.
You know?
I don't know. I just drive.
You just drive.
Yeah.
You just feel it.
Yeah.
I love it, dude. Well, it's super cool, guys. Super happy to be here. Really stoked that Nick Tonelli's bringing it back with a lot of our friends. It's really bringing together like a lot of the OGs of the scene, and to see Mike and his team, and then now Alloy Armor here is super cool. It's Mike and Nick's venture, right?
It's our brainchild.
Yeah, a little brainchild, super cool.
Well, I want to back the truck up though on the Beehive. We really got to thank all the people that brought Beehive back: Nick Tonelli, Lyle Tonelli, Jeff Musgrave.
Jeff.
Yes, Jeff, the boss.
Jeff, dude.
And,
Jeff is such an OG.
And you know he's racing, right? He's racing today.
I seen that.
Yeah, and he's fast.
That's awesome, dude.
These kids don't know what's coming to get them.
And is he showing them?
Oh, yeah.
Big old F-150, dude, right?
Yeah. So, thank you, everyone. There's a couple others that I forgot to mention, but thank you guys for helping us with getting the Beehive back out here.
Alloy Armor is Mike. Cool stuff. Check it out. We'll put a link to their stuff right here. You guys can check out their stuff. From what I've heard, it's an amazing product.
Yeah, it's good paint product, and we're happy to help and take care of the industry, and
good stuff.
We're putting back into the industry. We sponsored the Beehive, you know. We sponsored our buddy with the Class 11 car over here, and he won today.
Hell yeah, dude! Actually,
Alloy Armor's on the podium.
John, our filmer, got some bangers. Maybe we can cut to a little.
Yeah, legend status. Ask about the name. I've been putting in work, collecting the fame. Up in the step while they watching the 10 in the game. It's beginning and just a critic that we ain't the same. Focus on making this history into my top 5. List of me. I never got it done on the page. This ain't no breeze. I had to make the work outlast. The bill of steam is different degrees. And know I do this here with the ease. And never been easy. Slim, just keep one on the sleeve. I saw a few that had the passion succumb to the greed, but I keep forward here. The goal is near this song.
All right, guys, thank you. We're gonna go see who else is here. Mike, thank you, man. Freaking my bro right here.
Yep.
Freaking always support Mike and all the Bronco madness that this man does. Let's
Bronco Nissan boys.
Chino boys.
Chino boys.
All right. The cool thing about these events is like a lot of people bring their trucks out that normally aren't out. Look at this freaking beautiful F-150 right here, man. This thing is awesome. Whoever's truck this is, love to do a build to destroy on it. Let us know, man. This thing's rad. Check it out.
About a million, I keep it a trend, resilient, they energy off. My image is God reaching deep in the pot. I got features of people I lost. Yeah, R.I.P.
Ryan, my long lost brother from another mother. Dude, Ryan and me go way back. Long time. But that's a story for another day. I'm so happy for you, dude. It's been how many years? 9?
No, this time it's probably been 5 years since it was out racing.
Racing?
Yeah.
Okay.
And before that, maybe there was a 2-year break in between. So we only got one race in to try and had some issues. So we rebuilt the whole thing. It's taken 5 years to get back out in the dirt.
I like it was like an issue, and then he's like, we're just gonna rebuild it all. And if you guys see, I know you guys like won't get a good chance to go deep into it right now, but this thing is epic, man. I've known Ryan since like my early Nissan Frontier days with Brian Kirby. Ryan used to work with Kirby, and it's so cool to see him back out here. Dude, what's crazy is this thing's like so big, but like, you've always been able to like maneuver these courses.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It looks big, but
Yeah.
when I'm in it, man, it feels nimble and it's
awesome.
good. Yeah, and this time we didn't drive it till we got it here.
Yeah.
It hasn't been driven at all, so this is the first go, and
Dude.
we were surprised. I mean, I had Keith do the shocks,
Yeah.
and we've done no tuning, no setup, barely set ride height. Like, this is the most winged in I've
Barely.
ever done, and we're just here to shake it down. But now it's the actual race, so we
Now
want
it's getting
a
a little
little more
serious.
practice. So we'll see how this goes.
Keith KDM is our good friend. Shockmaster 10,000, man. He knows what the hell he's talking about. Did a bass tune, Ryan, right? Like a bass tune? Just a bass tune on this thing, and they're working. That's a big deal. And then again, like guessing the coil springs, the weights and all that stuff it's a process, huh? Yeah. It's a process, dude. And it seems like it's working. I love the ride height of this thing. It's so gangster. I love it. This thing is awesome. So shout out to Keith, KDM right here. Even Ryan did his little twist, freaking got these all black and flat, so freaking gangster, dude. I told Ryan I might have to steal that idea. It could be our Chino gang thing, dude. Ryan's a little competitive. I've known Ryan for a bit, just to say definitely the competition's there, dude.
Yeah.
And I think it's like, if it's working, I'm gonna try to at least do good.
Yeah, we all know that I'm gonna go if it goes, but
Yeah.
that's not why I'm here.
Right.
I gotta have a truck back on the trailer today and move forward for the rest of the year and not have another 5-year break. So
Hell yeah.
we're here to keep it rolling and keep the ball rolling this year, and hopefully we get to do more stuff.
Yeah, dude. Ryan's a homie. He's gonna be at a lot of our events. We'll have his truck out on display and stuff. Been doing this thing for a long time. Built the truck, rebuilt the truck,
Yep.
and here we are today. So hopefully we'll get some bangers.
It's
But-
funny because we have matching link arms on our trucks
Oh, really?
because
Oh,
I
that's
built
right.
yours, and they're still on it.
Look at that.
And I
see,
see-
we're bros.
I get to
dude.
see all the builds, and I'm like, man, they left them on there. They're
They're
still
there. Hell yeah.
Stuff's 15, 20 years old now.
Yeah, dude. Oh my God.
Time's flying by, but we're having a good time.
15 years, dude. And you have the same links
Yeah.
right now.
Mhm.
See how strong those damn things are. These guys know what they're doing, dude. Chino crew, man.
OG Chino crew.
Yeah, dude, it's cool. So this thing's awesome. Ryan, this truck is mainly built for desert racing, made to go straight and fast, but the fact that these things can like maneuver around these like tight turns on a short course, it's an entirely different setup, but being able to swing that is a big deal. But yeah, good luck, bro.
Thanks a lot.
We'll see you, man. We'll see you. And we're gonna get some bangers. Let's check it out. I love it.
Hey Mike, I know you think your truck is totally sick, but this is what I think of your precious 4x4 hang out all day with your stupid friend's truck! Push it!
Hey guys, dude, Carson over here from Brea drove his truck here. What the hell? What an awesome dude. What a G. That is freaking so awesome. Drove this Tacoma, was absolutely ripping it the whole time. Finished the race, made it through practices. All these other trucks getting trailered over here, and this guy drove it over here. He's about to drive it home and maybe go to In-N-Out after, I don't know. But super cool. We're gonna hopefully meet up with this dude and maybe do a Built to Destroy this episode. This thing's rad. What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Dude, you're absolutely ripping this thing,
Thank
man.
you.
Jeez, crazy.
God.
Dude, do you mind doing a quick little interview?
Yeah, definitely.
Is that cool? So we found the driver of this thing. This is Carson. Is it true that you drove this here?
I drove it here and I'm gonna drive it home.
And the
No
the manliest award goes to Carson. Dude, that is awesome. So cool, dude. How many times have you driven this thing?
I mean, I've been building it over the last 5 years, but this is the first year I've really had it all together and been driving it a lot.
Awesome, man. How do you like it?
Oh, it's so fun.
Is it a stock powertrain?
Yep, stock V6, stock everything.
Dude, Toyota Tacoma, just pooping on all the competition. Well, dude, I think we got to meet up. Where are you driving it home to?
I'm Orange County in Brea.
Orange County, Brea, dude. It's 45-minute drive.
Yeah, 45 hour.
What a rad guy, man. You're my hero, dude.
Thank you.
Have a good one, man. We'll see you
Thank
guys.
you.
Take care, man.
It been plenty time that I could've died. Lucky Sunny Slinger got 100 lives. Knock the rings out and I'ma fit my pinky with it. Let her beak it, I get jiggy with it. You with it, then we can get it going. Talking big, then you just a city cold head of the state, and I cannot be demoted. I put his hand on the snake and make a hole in throughout the meter. Can't say too many ways that I need her. It's a bread on the plate, she a eater. Needs a bread on the plate for the feature. I'm a beast, look boy, I'm a creature. Ain't no money to make for me being tame. For I tell on myself I'm a plea insane. There's some folks in here with me, yo, keep it chain, and I swear. They keep talking all around my head, I hear it all day. I hope nobody don't tear the end alright, cause I'm a sinner that blend in y'all way. Gon' probably send me that like east side. For my shoulder, devils on east side. I'm too stronger, man, I'm getting deep fried. But I'm colder than a white polar until I'm over. Trying to stay woke in the high full of sleepers. I can leave earth anytime to allegiance. On that line to allegiance. Had to be real one time for the region. I cannot get peace someday. Or just a little sleep someday. I know we gon' eat someday. And the time to ride, it won't be too late. Now it's a balance I've been trying to figure. In and out at times in my little figures. My Valentine ain't want no business. And I can't blame you about that really, cause ain't too much stable going on. Ain't nobody to say you on your own. I done took out a page from Rolling Stones. Advice might short the days and write the songs. Meanwhile, I'll engage in other things, dazing off the other dreams. Another page, another ream, and I still can't explain just what I see. Maybe I went made to walk, the wings fell off, and now I'm trapped inside the thought. They birthed the flaw. Glad they brought the church to talk, cause I need something to believe in. So make me they keep talking all around my head, I hear it all day. I hope nobody don't tear the end alright, cause I'm a sinner that being y'all way. Don't probably send me that like east side. For my shoulder, devils on east side. Now who's stronger, man, I'm getting deep fried. But I'm colder than a white polar until I'm over. Trying to stay
This is my good buddy. Yeah. I don't know. I've known him longer. I'm just kidding. It's so funny, dude.
I'm gonna hold that up for you.
All this time, dude.
Brought it back together. Look at that.
Again, let's recap. Okay, let's recap. Ryan hasn't driven this truck in 5 years. Before that, drove it one day and then tore it down. This is his test session. And you held first for like 5 laps?
I want to go fast.
Yeah.
5, 6 laps?
I think I had it there all the way to the end until
Dude,
I
until
regrouped us.
I know, I was like, come on, man. But you know what, dude? That's racing, right?
Yeah.
That's
it is.
racing.
And it was a great time, and I'm glad this event went well. And dude, I hope more people come to the next one because this was so much fun.
Dude,
this is why I love this stuff.
That was insane, dude. Seriously, how did it feel to get behind the wheel again?
That's the best feeling, man. Like you think you want to cruise around and do your thing and test, and then you get behind the wheel, and it's like it feels okay. Let's go.
Just keep going. There was like zero chill, man. Ryan was like, oh, I might take it easy. There's no chill. It's like you're an on or off switch, dude.
Yeah,
you know?
I'm born that way.
Dude, I'm so proud of you, man. Dude.
Thanks, brother.
Good stuff, guys. Good stuff.
I put you on camera a long time ago with Dirt Alliance.
Dude, I remember. Yeah, Dialed.
Dialed in, yeah.
Dialed, dude. How are you doing, man?
I'm doing good.
First time I ever drove my truck, this man was a producer, director, right? Produce,
Yeah,
direct.
uh-huh.
It was a show.
Called Dialed In.
Yeah.
Extreme sports show for a local television network out of Hollywood.
I remember, so I met Travis from Dirt Alliance and I showed him my truck. And that
Without
day,
the draft,
and then we went there, like my brake lines broke. And then we found jumps. We were freaking.
It was
we were
great,
like,
yeah,
how
yeah.
was that? Was that cool?
No, the whole segment turned out good. I think I still have it.
All I try to do with Terra Crew is recreate that day every day we go out again.
Nice. Awesome.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just the lifestyle of that, of just like going out with your friends, finding stuff to jump,
Yep.
finding whoop sections and hanging out is everything we
Yeah.
do. Full circle, 20 years ago. Oh, what the heck?
20-year build, just like you.
Dang, oh yeah,
I'm still
dude.
trying to get it out.
Let's go, dude. It's the same truck. Could you believe it? The same cab.
Mine is too.
That's nuts, dude.
So, Yeah, man.
Awesome,
good seeing
man.
you,
Hal,
dude.
good seeing you
Yeah,
too, man.
congratulations. You're
Please,
kicking
please,
ass.
dude. It's
Yeah, you've
it's
been
a whole
doing great.
team effort, man.
Nice. Okay,
Okay.
sounds good,
All right,
man.
dude. Later, dude. Later, man. Take
Later,
care. These boys putting everybody back on all fours. You guys were very busy.
Very busy. Yeah.
I mean, you had all types of like cautions going on, dude.
We
you
had-
had collisions. Tell us.
Yeah,
tell us.
we had collisions. We had K-rail runovers. We had fires.
How many recoveries do you think you had?
Today we had,
If you had a guess, just guess.
I would say 8 to 10.
And in this last race, about 5.
About, yeah, 6 of them. Or we're 1450 guys. These guys have just been waiting for an event like this to come back.
So I actually wanted to start the day with Nick, but I think it's actually cool that we got to end the day with Nick. So this is the man. This is a guy that came up with this idea, put it together, and now brought it back. It's insane. Like to see how many people were here, to see how many trucks that I haven't seen in so long,
Right.
to see so many people stoked, so many people with stories that they're gonna remember forever. It's like
The door-to-door
it's like-
racing, you know,
it's
the
like
carnage.
the NPR days again, dude. Like all over again, man.
A lot of good fast drivers out here.
So if you don't mind, really quick, man, dude, we got to do like a really cool interview one day.
Yeah, we do.
This will be our little,
Like intro, yeah.
This will be our little mini one,
Yeah.
but expect a cool. Well, let's go to the Beehive.
Yeah, I've known James since 2005, 2006, and he's always supported us. He's helped us racing before in the desert, and he supported all the short course.
The giant
Giant
motorsports days with Jeff, dude.
Yeah, just having Terra out here and his wife and his kids and all the guys that behind the closed doors like you. It's not possible without all you guys. So it's only a show because of supporting the supporters, the people that support it, the families, the kids. The wives are doing long hours behind closed doors also.
Dude, my kids are stoked.
Yeah,
They loved it,
yeah. But yeah, thanks for James coming out here. This is a big deal, and we're glad that we're returning this series. It's been 7 years since we held a Beehive Classic, and we did a 6-year run with Lucas Oil. 6 years with corporate Lucas Oil, we had these races. We did 17 of them in 6 years. And now we're back with a 2-year contract to bring 10 over the next 2 years. So expect a lot more content, a lot more cool trucks popping out of the woodworks.
It's crazy. Like Nick said, we've all like been like a circle of friends for so long, and I think like originally we just wanted a place for us all to go. You know, there was racing, but there wasn't anything for like our types of trucks, our types of fun, our types of entertainment. And I think like Nick came up with this like idea to have this like
Desert
these
trucks.
classes, the desert trucks
on short
here.
course.
And it's always like it's always like,
Exciting.
It's the most exciting.
Yeah,
dude,
and it's a good environment for the kids, adults, teams.
family, and you don't need to go to the middle of the desert and wait all day and hopefully somebody's going to pass by.
There's no logistics. I talked to a guy from BFG last night, Greg, and he told me, he's like, I can't believe we were sitting here at Glen, Helen after 7 years. He goes, I never thought I'd be back here with all the drivers of your class, of our class, you know?
It's crazy.
It was a pretty cool, to hear that from someone at BFG pretty high up.
Yeah.
And he's not missing one of them, he said. And his son co-rides in the truck in our class.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, it's really cool to see everyone coming out and sponsoring the class in any way they can.
Yeah.
From social media to in person to just supporting us. So
if you're a sponsor,
hit up your James. Yeah.
Hit them up,
Yeah.
you guys. Hit them up. They want to do some cool stuff.
Yes.
And dude, there has to be some cool stuff I'm sure we'll work on like in the future.
Yes.
All right, guys. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Nick, thank you for bringing this back.
thank you for
dude.
coming out to round one.
I think people were stoked.
I
think there was people stoked.
Yes.
Honestly,
car count.
dude, lots of wildness, carnage, all that kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, dude, here's a story. There's a kid named Carson that drove out here.
Yes. Carson in his 4-door Tacoma
Drove
out here and got his truck ready for 2 months. We called him, he called us back and forth trying to get his truck ready for the safety part. And Carson showed up out here with his family, and he delivered a 17th position.
Dude, he finished.
He
He's gonna drive home, bro.
That is a cool story.
So honestly, thank you guys. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you, dude.
Yeah,
Thanks
thank you.
for bringing this
All
back,
right.
and we'll see you guys later.
All right, bye.
Beehive.